Tutorials. Tutorials provide step-by-step guidance for all the compliances, filings, grievances, and registrations. They contain actual screenshots of compliance works that correlate to the department's portal. If you want to take registration under EPF, you can check out this tutorial on EPF registration. This document outlines the step-by-step process for applying for EPF registration, accompanied by detailed screenshots for easy understanding. Till date, more than 400 tutorials have been uploaded on this website for compliance work on topics of tax and corporate laws, and the number is continuously increasing. Whether you have to file a CIT appeal or get a GST refund, tutorials give you easy to follow steps on all these important tasks.